You should get one. No, I already have Kronii. I can't. Oh, hello, my good Christian girl. Hello, Mumei Clips. It's so good to see you. Looking good this lovely April Fool's Day. Oh, she's telling me that I don't look good at all. Wow, you don't need to say that. She's telling me that I'm a bad girl. I'm not a Christian girl. I'm an atheist girl, according to her. I'm not a good girl at all. Oh, this is why I don't understand. Why does Mumei Clips from Hololive English hate me? She came into my stream to tell me that in fact I am a bad girl. Oh, tears in my eyes. Is she gone? Oh man. I love teasing people. Just being so silly like that. Yeah, you know, everybody wants to be my enemy. Be careful on April Fools. See ya? I'm doing something for April Fools. I'm doing my part.